Next we want to discuss division of algebraic expression. Okay, division, when we divide an expression by another expression, how we can get. So first we can take how we divide a monomial by another monomial. Monomial, you know, an expression having only one term is called a monomial. Suppose one example, if it is given 6x cube divided by 2x, how we will do this? So in this type of questions we can find out the factors of the given expressions, given terms. First, when we take this 6, what are the factors of 6 we know? That is 2 into 3, and factors of x we know, x into x into x. Instead of 6x cube, we can write this in this form, and 2x we can write, both are right in this form, 2 into x. Then for division, okay, therefore 6x cube divided by 2x, how we can write 2 into 3 into x into 3 times x divided by 2 into x. All are in multiplication form. So we can cancel the common terms. Here x, common factors we can cancel. What is remaining? 3 into x, that is 3x square. Very simple. Okay, first we factorize the given expression, then do the cancellation, then what is the remaining will be the answer. Another question, 7x square y square z square. Okay, find out 7x square y square z square divided by 14xyz. Okay, here also we are factorizing the given 7 into x square, we can write it as x into x, y square y into y, z square is z into x, z divided by 14, we can write it as 2 into 7 into x into y into z. Okay, write the numbers in irreducible factors form. Then find out the common factors. 7 is common in both, x is common, then y is common, 1 z is common. What is remaining on the numerator part? X into y into z divided by 2. Okay, so this is the factorization form, or we can write in the standard form of 1 by 2 x y z. Okay, this is the division of an algebraic expression, one monomial by another monomial. If we are doing a polynomial by another monomial, okay, suppose when we divide a polynomial by a monomial, what will happen? One question you look, divide, question is given, divide 4y cube plus 5y square plus 6y. Okay, that is divide by 2y. If the question is like this, here it is a monomial, a polynomial. Here have 3 terms. So in this type of question, first we find out the common factors in the 3 terms. Which is the common factor in these 3 terms? Y is common. So when we take that y as outside, what is remaining in the first term? 4y square plus second term 5, third term remain 6 only. So divided by, what is divisor? 2y. Then here y and y we can cancel. What is remaining? 2 on the denominator. So 1 by 2 into 4y square plus 5 plus 6. In this way we can do the division. Okay, now another question, 10x minus 25 divided by 5. Okay, 10x minus 25 divided by 5. It is a polynomial having 2 terms. So find out the common factor in these 2. Which is the common factor in these 2? 5 is common. So 5 when we take outside, first term remain 2x. Okay, minus 5 divided by this 5. So this 5 and 5 will be cancelled. What is remaining? 2x minus 5. Okay, is it easy? Very easy question. Then another question, 9x square y square. You can do all. You want to practice with all questions. I write only some questions. Okay, 96 ABC. 96 ABC into 3a minus 12 into 3a minus 12 into 5b minus 30 divided by 144 into a minus 4 into b minus 6. This is a given division question. Okay, so this is the question. So we want to find out, can you find out any common factor in these two, or any factors we can take outside from these two? In 3a minus 12 we can find out one common factor, which is that 3a and 12. 3 is common, and 5b minus 30 there is one common factor, which is that, which is the 5. Okay, then when we write 96 into a into b into c, then take the common factor here, 3 are outside, we will get a minus 4, and here when we take 5 outside, it will be b minus 6 divided by, okay, here 144 into a minus 4 into b minus 6. Now here also all are multiplication, only one factor here. So this a minus 4 we can cancel, b minus 6 b minus 6, because it is both are in bracket, that's why only we can cancel. Okay, now what is remaining here? Here 96 into 3 into 5, and here ABC also. Okay, what is 96 into 3? What we will get? 96 into 3, 278. Otherwise we can factorize this 96 and remaining parts only we can write here. Here 96 a b c into 3, and here 1 5 also, divided by 144. Okay, so when we doing this cancellation, we will get 96 and 144 have common factors, which 4 plus 4 8, 3 is common, so this will get 32, and here we can find out it is 4 into 3 12 and 24 8. Okay, 8 into 3 24. Then here it is 32 and here 48. So again we can do this 3 and 48 we can cancel. How many 3s are there? 1 in 4, 1 in 18. How many 3s are there? 6. Okay, and 32 and 16 again we can cancel. Here 16, here 2. Okay, then what is remaining on the numerator part? Denominator part nothing, only 1. Then numerator is remaining 2 into ABC into 5. 2 into 5 we know 10. Then what is the last answer? 10 ABC. Okay, very easy questions. This type we can do the division of algebraic expression also. Some more part remains, so that we can do the next class. Anyway, I will give one chapter for you as revision. Today itself you want to do that revision. Okay, thank you.